Hi, in this video I'd like to demonstrate this project that I'm working on called OSWELL. OSWELL stands for Ordinary Systems of a Well-Established Language Library. The idea is to maximize the capabilities of conventional conversational embodied agents known as ECAs by integrating current or available technologies or resources that can be freely upgraded by the user, freely removed, or freely added to assemble a one unified application. Two well-known technologies, such as Siri, that exists in modern mobile devices, have current limitations. Siri has access to the weather or provides general user personalization, but it does not have a more natural sense of conversing with the user. ChatGPT, on the other hand, provides more natural conversations with the user, but then it has that limitation where it doesn't have access to any current information or such as weather via APIs. However, bringing the best of both of these technologies allows us to maximize the full extent of the capabilities of ECAs. Again, the idea is by bringing to prospect of combining such technologies and many more to maximize the overall capabilities of embodied conversational agents. So the structure of this project utilizes Python to train the Keras natural language processing model via intents.json. So the process takes this file and it trains based on the patterns, and the model is able to discern what type of tag the given pattern might be. So a user might input any combination of these speech patterns or requests, and the natural language processing model should be able to discern what type of tag it is and give the appropriate response. Python, I'm also using Python for the general startup processes. However, the main backbone uses Java to process the user's responses. It also deploys the trained natural language processing model, which is a Keras model. Again, to discern like what type of tag the user's input might be. I'm also using other languages for the front end, especially such as JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, just to provide user personalization and a GUI for this project. So just to run the application, I am using Python to start up the process, which then calls the Java jar file. So the main project is built in Java. As mentioned, it uses a Maven structure with POM.xml, and then I am building the Maven structure to generate the one application with the server inside a jar file. Just to show a quick demonstration. Oswald, are you there?
I am being uploaded. I will be online soon. Hold on one moment. At your service.
Hello?
It's great seeing you. I hope you're doing well.
How are you, OSWELL?
Imagining myself having a fabulous vacation.
OSWELL, can you tell us the time?
In Calgary, it is currently 6:05 p.m.
Can you tell us the time in Vancouver?
In Vancouver, it is currently 5:05 p.m.
Can you tell us the time in Paris?
In Paris, it is 2:05 a.m.
What's the current date today?
The date is Monday, August 19th, 2024.
What's the current weather today?
In Calgary, the current weather outside on Monday is 21.6 degrees Celsius with becoming cloudy in the afternoon. A high of 29.8 degrees and a low of 13.4 degrees Celsius. There is a 9% chance of rain.
What's the weather on Tuesday?
In Calgary, the current temperature on Tuesday is 20.7 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy throughout the day. A high of 26.3 degrees and a low of 15.1 degrees Celsius. There is a 17% chance of rain.
What's the current weather in Toronto?
In Toronto, the current temperature outside on Monday is 16.8 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy throughout the day. A high of 19.4 degrees and a low of 15.1 degrees Celsius. There is a 2% chance of rain.
Can you give us any news updates?
Written by James Whitbrook. All the news, trailers, and cosplay from San Diego Comic-Con 2024. Another Comic-Con has come to an end, but IO9 was there every step of the way to bring you all the news, just in case you missed anything.
Okay, thank you, Oswald. Bye.
I aim to please.
Bye for now.
Take it easy.
So that concludes the demo presentation of OSWELL for its Mark One stage. And then for final remarks, I'd like to discuss the more about the front end a little bit and the avatar. So currently, the avatar tracks my face and follows where my face is on the screen, just to give it a bit of an impression that it is conversing with you in a natural way. Because typically, when you converse with others, you look at their eyes and you look at where their face is. So that's what it looks like. It draws the landmarks. It describes my face emotion, I guess, with a confidence score that it's a face. So if I'm smiling, it says happy, surprised, sad, has angry a little bit as well. This is currently set to debug to show the landmarks. I can also increase the speed of the movements. Gravity is not really used at the moment. There's several inputs: face, marker, sliders. Markers and sliders are not yet they are operational, but they cause errors with the face, so I will not demonstrate it in this stage for now. But essentially, sliders, you can manually control the movements of the avatar. Markers, you have to physically place blue markers on your face to track it, but by default it deploys face tracking models. Speak, you can control whether to move the mouth of the avatar or not to give an impression that it's speaking. Here's a little about message. This was mentioned at the start. There are more updates and fixes that will be going into this project. So if you'd like, stay tuned for those few upcoming videos. But this shows the first stage of the project, or the first deliverable. Let's do some more testing here to see how well my face is tracked at various distances. It's not very easily seen with the lighting here. Let me just turn this off. Brightness. So it's looking about where I am at currently, so, and then it's able to move side to side. Looking up, looking down. Excuse the vibration of the camera, I'm not holding this very well, but just to show the movements of the avatar at various distances. Seems to be tracking my face pretty well at various distances, so that should conclude this demonstration, and I hope you've enjoyed what I've shown so far. If you have questions, concerns, or suggestions, that would be really great. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you. Bye.